Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to calculate median in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So for calculating median, so firstly write a formula of median is equal median. So after this you can see Excel will automatically suggest a formula of median. So just click on it and then select the numbers. So after selecting the range, so close the bracket and press enter button. So you can see median is calculated. So guys, in this way you can calculate median in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.